Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's EzClix Club review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account, where you get your commissions for EzClix as an affiliate. And I'm just going to type in here the product name just to give you the updated results. Going to click search, and what you'll see here are three columns that we're concerned with. The column, let's just move that out of the way there. The commission column here on the right hand side shows that I've now earned $3,140.72. The majority of that has been profit because I promote EzClix with free traffic, and I can teach you how to do the same. Product sales in this column here are now at $6,726.50. And the left-hand column over here, you'll see that I've sold 802 products. And I'm going to show you a bit later on the video how you can promote one link. And you can boost this number up by promoting one link and making multiple sales and earning multiple commissions. I'm going to come back to this page a bit later on in the video. So more importantly in the video, you can join EzClix. There'll be a link in the description where you can get started, or maybe you might just want some more information. But you can get started with a special offer today, as of the day today filming this video, current special offer for $4.90. And what you're going to get is you're going to get autopilot buyers traffic. And the reason it works so well, there's several reasons, but one of the reasons is that buyers traffic is the best traffic that you can promote your offer with online. So you're going to get buyers traffic on autopilot. So once you put your offer into the EzClix system, it works for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, even when you're asleep. So if you're like me and you've got a full-time job and you're busy with your family and friends and hobbies, you can just set it up once, and it's a set and forget system where even while you're asleep, you can generate leads and potentially commissions. When you become a member of EzClix, they also auto-approve you to become an affiliate, so you can promote your affiliate link and potentially get your traffic for free with just a couple of referrals. So I'm going to show you a bit later on how you can do that. And I highly recommend that you do that, because that way getting your traffic for free allows you to then scale up and earn affiliate commissions up to $48.50 and get into profit as an affiliate. Now, you don't have to buy these higher ticket products to be able to earn these higher ticket commissions. This is one of the superb features of Warrior Plus products. You can pay the low ticket price, but you can earn the higher ticket commissions without having to buy the higher ticket products. I'll show you a bit later on the video how that works. So what happens is when you promote as an affiliate, you can get into profit every single month. This is what's called a funded traffic proposal. And what that means is when you want to buy some more traffic and scale up, you're no longer buying traffic from your job income or your wages or your savings in your bank account. You're taking a percentage of your profits and buying more traffic to scale up. And that's how successful affiliate marketers become more successful online. The system we're showing you today is a complete system. You're going to get traffic on autopilot. You can generate leads, and then you can also promote your offer to potentially earn commissions with the offer you're promoting in the EzClix system. and also Warrior Plus profits, which I've already shown you. We're going to give you our team's free tools and done-for-you system, completely free. And with this system, you can earn additional profitable passive income streams on top of your Warrior Plus income. I'm going to show you some real income proof that that's achievable as well. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or product claims or guarantees in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. So let's just have a look first of all what you get as a member, and then we'll have a look at why the affiliate program works really well. This is the home page of there's lots of great information on the home page, and the link in the description will take you to this page. I highly recommend you watch this 5-minute video here by the owner, Brad. And Brad has been promoting traffic for over 10 years. You're going to be working with a traffic expert. And he's that confident that this works. He puts on this page, start getting real results. Quality visitors who actually buy. Now, Brad's got a traffic portfolio of over 10 sites. This is just one in a portfolio. And you'll see that EzClix has been online now since 2022. Now, he's saying here that he's going to promote your offer with quality traffic to real people with genuine interest in your offers. It's going to be hands-free, autopilot to your pages every single day. He's created an ecosystem inside EzClix, the tools and know-how to test your offers before you waste your time and money, so you only promote what's proven to work. It's a complete traffic system designed to get you opt-ins, so you're going to build your list, sign-ups, and sales. Now, this is great as an affiliate because what he's putting here is our members don't stay with us because we promise them easy traffic. They stay because they're getting results, and they stay because we consistently deliver on our core promise. We'll deliver so much quality traffic that you'll never want to leave. So, a very bold statement, but he's a traffic expert. He knows how to deliver what you're paying for. And if you look down here, the special offer, the monthly plan is currently at $4.90 for your first month. So if you want to test drive EzClix at $4.90, then you get a special offer for your first month. And after that, it's going to be $9.90 per month. The quarterly plan will save you $17 for your first 3 months. And after that, $27 for 3 months. So you're going to save $10 on the quarterly plan. And if you want to save even more money and pay annually, you've got $77 for 12 months. And then for your second year, it will be $97. That's a saving of $20 if you want to go for the annual plan. So I always recommend that you join with what's ever within your budget. Don't get yourself into a lot of debt. If you can afford to join here at $4.90, that's what's within your budget, then I recommend that you do that. Don't get yourself into a lot of debt. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to get into profit and stay in profit. So that's what you get as a member. Let's have a look now as an affiliate with the affiliate program. Now, one of the main reasons this works is if you look down the right-hand side here, this little circular arrow says recurring payment number 19. Now, what that means is that this referral has been paying their membership subscription for 19 months in a row. Now, I pay my monthly membership subscription just like you'll pay yours. Now, the key thing with affiliate marketing is to promote membership subscription products, because when you get happy members with a high retention, 19 months in a row, they're in their second month, you're going to get new ones coming in. They're new. But down here, you'll see this member's been paying for over 2 years every single month. They've been paying for nearly 3 years. 18 months. They've been paying for over 3 years. And then what happens is you get new members coming in and joining, where there's no circular arrow here. So all of these circular arrows are all monthly recurring payments coming in. Once you get your 2 referrals, after that, you're going to be in profit. This is going to be profit for you 40 months in a row. Now, what you'll also see, which I'm going to show you next, you'll see this here at $27. So this is an upgrade. They've paid the quarterly plan. And again here, this is an upgrade. They've paid for triple traffic to promote 3 offers. This is an upgrade, quarterly plan. So you'll see the opportunity. Here's another upgrade, triple traffic, another upgrade, quarterly plan. So some people, some of your referrals will go for the upgrades because they're going to get a special offer and they are long-term affiliate marketers that are thinking long-term and not just for the next month. So you can see the potential there of getting your traffic for free, getting into profit, and then having a high retention of referrals. Now, you can promote one link. Let me show you this. You can promote one link. So you're going to pay your $4.90 here. And then there's 4 products on the left-hand side over here in the system. And you're going to get your affiliate link automatically approved when you become a member. You promote one link. So if any of your referrals buy any of these products here, well, you're going to buy that one. If they buy any of these other 3 products here, you will earn these affiliate commissions in the right-hand column over here. This one here is for $48.50. Now you'll also see, just change my cursor there, that these 3 are recurring. So as long as they're happy members, they're going to be recurring commissions for you. So promote one link and earn multiple income streams. That's the beauty and the superb features of these Warrior Plus products. So now in the video, I'm going to show you, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to give you free tools and a done-for-you system to help you succeed. So we've created what's called the complete EzClix Club success system. And what you're going to get is you're going to get a lead capture page. You're going to get a welcome page like this one you're on now. And you're going to get an email follow-up series. And that's handwritten by me. It's not done by AI or ChatGPT. It's an email series written by hand to convert your prospects into sales. Now, this is a free system. So it's set up on Leads Leap. So all you do is join Leads Leap here. You click there. You join Leads Leap, get your free membership here. It's a free lifetime membership. The value is absolutely insane with what you get with this system, this platform. You get traffic and all the tools you need to make money online. Not just with EzClix, but any offer you're going to promote. So you join Leads Leap for free, you get a free lifetime membership, and then you come back onto your page here. And then all you do, these are called share codes. It's really simple and really beginner friendly. And you get these codes here. And all you do is you follow these video tutorials and we teach you how to copy and paste and click those links into your Leads Leap members area. And then everything will be cloned to you. This complete page will be yours. You'll have the video on there, doing all the telling and explaining for your prospects. And all you'll do is put your affiliate links into here. And then when your leads and your prospects click on here and join, you're going to earn the affiliate commissions. Now let me show you the potential of the Leads Leap affiliate commissions. So I'm live in my Leeds Leap members area. Just refresh that page there. And you'll see my total income. Now this is as an affiliate with Leeds Leap. This isn't commissions I've earned from promoting products with Leeds Leap. This is as a Leeds Leap affiliate. I've earned $3,560.45. Now you can earn these commissions as a free member. So if you look down here and we compare the two plans, you join for free lifetime, and then when somebody clicks on your button and joins Leeds Leap, and when they upgrade, you will earn 25% recurring commission, and that's every single month. So that's going to be a profitable passive income stream because you're not paying anything. You're not paying a penny. You're a free lifetime member forever. And this will be a monthly profitable passive income as long as they're a Happy Pro member on the right here. Now, I joined Leeds Leap for free, and I started promoting Leeds Leap, setting up systems, the free systems that I'm giving you here today. And then when I got into profit, I reinvested a percentage of those profits and upgraded to Pro. Now, with the Pro account, you get 50% recurring commissions as an affiliate. And you also get autopilot traffic and automated email follow-ups. But you can set up this system here with the free account, and you can start promoting EzClix, Leeds Leap, and then further down here, I've also given you 5 free traffic sources to promote your affiliate link. Now, the reason we've done this is when you join these 5 traffic sources and you get credits and free traffic when you first join, you then become an affiliate and you put your affiliate links into these buttons here. And if any of your referrals come onto this page and join any of these traffic sources, if they upgrade, you'll earn more affiliate commissions. So we've turned this page into, there's 5 income streams here, and there's 2 income streams here. We've turned this page into a 7 income stream page for you. So it's really worth your time setting up your complete EzClix success system. We're giving you everything that we use, everything that we need, all the tools, all the traffic, everything's here that you need to succeed with EzClix and other traffic sources as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. So currently on the channel, I'm doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always have my email address in the description. So if you'd like to send me an email, then I will reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.